Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Now, today I'm going to be talking about one of my favorite or my favorite tool when it comes to not only designing but also building Shopify pages from scratch. This is a tool with also one of the best opportunity scores in Contra.com because believe it or not, not only are Shopify themes pretty expensive, but they are also very difficult to edit, especially if you're not a Shopify developer. And Instant just released an MCP, meaning that you can connect their technology to your favorite AI coding agent. And you can do things like creating a landing page, edit pages, creating sections, publishing pages. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can set that up. We're going to build an example from scratch using the different tools available in this MCP. And I'll show you a bonus chapter where you can basically get any brand website out there and basically get Instant to read the brand style and implement it to your design. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. All right, so it says here using the Instant AI MCP, we can scroll down here. Before you begin, make sure you have the following. So we need obviously an AI assistant like one of these. We need Node.js and we need an Instant account. And in order to get an Instant account, you can just get started for free over here. And once you're in, you're going to get something that looks like this. You basically have to connect your Shopify store to Instant. And then you can just start designing over here if you wanted to. And then you can go up here and create a new project. We can name this one MCP, click on create. We can click on connect Shopify, click on open. And then I'm going to go back here and we need to follow this. So we have to go to our project settings, general and access tokens. So we're just going to click on this. Click on project settings, then go over here to general and scroll down here and create a new token. We're going to call this MCP test just to test it out. Now, if you're using Claude Code, you can literally just copy this and paste it into Claude Code. And if you're using something else like Codex or like Cursor, you just have to add this to your MCP client config file. So for example, if you're doing Cursor, you can just click on new MCP server and then just paste it over here at the end. But for today's video, I'm going to be using Claude Code. So I'm just going to create a new workspace and paste in the one line install and then click on enter. Now, once that's installed, we do have to quit Claude desktop app and then reopen it. So let me do just that. And now once we do that, we can just click on done. And then once we do that, we can say, hey, done, what can we do with this MCP? And then we get a list of the different actions or tools that we can basically do with this MCP. I also have 18 different pages that I've built with Instant before, and we can basically refine these pages. So for example, this is one of them. And also shout outs to Costa Matrescu for creating the visuals for this design. So just to test this out, we can say, how can we improve this page? And then we can just paste in the URL. And so we get high impact, medium impact, and quick wins. For example, for the high impact, it says that we have some naming conflicts. We have no pricing section and we have 4 review sections, which is true. We have one over here. We have one down here, one over here as well. And we don't have any pricing section. So we can just say, let's implement the 3 high impact solutions. And so as you can see, now we have this new pricing section added to this existing page. And I can say here, like, yes, publish it to the live site. And so now I can refresh this page, scroll down, and now we have this new pricing section. All right, so that's great. We can edit existing pages. What about creating pages from scratch? So we can say, hey, let's create a landing page from scratch for a brand called Outwashed, which sells body wash for men using only vegan ingredients. And so now once this is done generating, I can open this up in the Instant editor and we have our entire page built out and ready to be published in Shopify. We have all of these different sections. We have an FAQ, CTAs, pricing sections, testimonials, etc., etc. And now what I can also try to do is I can say, hey, this is the actual image of the product. And now another interesting thing that we can do here is we can also go to the studio and click on create a product shot. And we can add the image of our product. So I'm just gonna upload that image. You can also choose an image from your Shopify store. And you can basically add an image and create consistent photographs for your product page. So for example, this one I really like because it actually looks like a real product shot. So we can click on download and I can go in here and replace the image in this hero section. And once the second one is done, I can also go back to the editor and select this specific div and just replace the image with the image that's here. And now we have this consistent product throughout our different photographs. But now let's say that we don't really like the colors, the fonts, the whole brand kit of this design. We might want to reference one from an existing site. What we can do is we can click on this icon over here, and that's going to open up this new panel. And down here, we're just going to click on this little widget tool and click on brand kit and set up brand kit. That's going to prompt a new chat in the instant editor. And it says, okay, I'll set up your brand kit. So we want to use an existing URL. So let's choose this first option and click on apply. I, for example, really love the branding from seed.com with this button color, with this shade of green and this shade of green. I think this brand overall kind of matches the branding that I'm looking for. So we can go back here and just paste in the URL. And so it's basically created that design MD file. And as you can see, we have the colors, we have the fonts, we have everything over here. You can edit it if you want to. And then I just said, hey, apply this brand kit to this page. And now, as you can see, it's slowly doing that. And then we basically get this redesign with this new brand kit, with the new colors, with the new fonts, looking nice. But yeah, guys, that was the Instant AI MCP. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And like always, thank you all so much for watching. Hope to see you next time. Goodbye.